guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we'll be seeing some of the very latest fresher recruitment updates and internship updates. We'll be seeing the recruitment updates from Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Accenture, TCS and Ernst & Young. We'll be seeing some internship updates from Ernst & Young also in this video. So if you are interested in watching any of this content, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So let's have a look on the updates one by one. The first recruitment update is from Infosys and it is for the job role process executive. Here they are asking zero work experience and the location of job is Pune. Currently it will be work from home only. The educational requirements is any stream of BB Tech with any year of pass out or BCom candidates can apply here. The skill requirements is you should be having a good communication skill, written and verbal communication skills, and this is a customer service job, so you will be asked to answer to calls, chat support, voice support, email support. That will be the job role. Okay, so if you are interested, just click on this register icon. First register with the career site of Infosys and then apply. Okay, the next job role we are going to see is from Wipro. It is for associate. Location is Airoli. Currently it will be work from home only. So they are looking for fresher or experienced candidates. The requirements or the skills which they are asking is behavioral skills, interpersonal skill, influence management skills, then customer centricity, commitment, only basic things they are asking here. Qualification is undergraduate or graduate degree in business or in any discipline. Any graduate is eligible with any year of pass out. Okay. So that is the first role from Wipro. You have to click on this apply icon in order to apply. Okay. The next job role we are going to see is associate UG. So here again for entry level post only. So they are asking for qualification any graduate, 15 years of full-time education, MBA, MCA, MTech is not eligible. Means master candidates, master students, or if you are having masters, you are not eligible to apply here. Freshers or experienced candidates are eligible. Maximum 6 years of experience if you are having, you can apply. Other than that, if you are having 7 years or more, you cannot apply here because it is an entry level post. Okay. So this is for Bengaluru location. Currently, it will be work from home only. Okay. Next recruitment update again from Wipro. It is a mass recruitment for 2022 candidates. Okay. So they are looking for BB Tech any stream or 5-year integrated courses. Age limit is 25 years, 60% in 10th, 12th. Then you should be having 60% in graduation or 6 CGPA. Also, they have given the selection or the evaluation process here. Selection process will be consisting of there is an initial registration which you have to do. Then there will be assessments, business discussion, letter of intent and offer letter. The salary that they are offering is 3.5 lakhs per annum. The job designation is project engineer. Okay. So please to apply here as soon as possible. This is a bulk recruitment for 2022 batch. Next recruitment we are going to see is from Tech Mahindra. So Tech Mahindra is hiring for customer service or voice process job. Here they are asking 0 to 3 years of experience. Location is Vizag or Visakhapatnam. Okay. Here this is a voice process or a customer service job. So you have to answer to various calls of the customers. You have to answer to the queries. And since the location is Visakhapatnam, you should be having knowledge of Telugu language. Okay. So graduates or undergraduates from any stream is eligible, but you should be fluent with English and Telugu. That is a must. Okay. So if you're a person from Andhra Pradesh or if you are having knowledge of Telugu, only then you have to apply here. Okay. So that is the requirement. That is a most important requirement. Other than that, they have asked for good analytical and interpersonal skills, typing speed, customer handling skills. That is the requirement. Okay. So just apply here as soon as possible. The next recruitment we are going to see is from Accenture. Again, a bulk recruitment for 2022 candidates. Let's have a look on the eligibility criteria first. Then we'll see the application form. Okay. So just click on this eligibility criteria. Now you can see the eligibility they are asking is all streams of MCM, MSc, MA, MCom, MFA, BSc, BCA, BA, BCom, BBA, BVoc, BMS and other 2022 graduates are eligible here. But the 4-year graduation branches like BB Tech, MA, MTech, MCA, MSc are not eligible. Okay. So this is not a recruitment for BTech candidates because very recently they have conducted a mass or a bulk recruitment for BTech. So this is for all the other streams of education other than BTech and also masters. Okay, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc. Okay, so just fill up this application form which I'll be putting in description. They're asking only basic things here: your personal details, first name, last name, university registration number, email ID, primary contact, your educational details. Also, you have to upload your resume here, then your photograph, also a government photo ID card. All these things you have to upload. Okay. So this is for Systems and Application Service Associate. Okay. Again, a bulk recruitment for 22 batch. Next is a recruitment update from TCS. TCS is hiring for 20 and 21 batch. I have been giving you this recruitment update from that is from the previous videos itself. So it is for BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc candidates with the year of pass out 20 and 21. So people have applied for this recruitment and have not received mail. But don't panic. You will get the mails because the application link is still active. The registration end date is 16th of January. Okay, and they are calling for BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc candidates. You can see the test eligibility criteria. So they are asking for basically 6 CGPA or 60 percentage and no active backlogs they are allowing. Okay. Also, they have given the test pattern here. You can see the eligibility here. Okay. No backlog, 60 percentage in 10th, 12th, or for all the milestones of education. Age limit also they have given here. The maximum age limit is 18 years. Okay. Now let's have a look on the test pattern. It is consisting of two parts. Part A will be cognitive skills. Part B is programming skills. Total time allowed is 180 minutes. Okay. So this is the recruitment update from TCS. Next, we are going to see two recruitment updates from EY or Understanding. Here, they are calling for interns. Okay. So the first job role for GCR EMEIA intern, and it is for the location Bengaluru. Bengaluru is a location. Here, they are looking for people with educational qualification BCom, MCom, MBA Finance. Okay. So if you are any year of pass out student with these educational qualifications, you can apply for this intern post. Okay. Don't miss out this opportunity. I'm trying to bring up maximum internship also for people who are looking for internships. Okay. Next is a summer intern. So this is a job role which they are in which they are looking for people with little bit knowledge in the networking side. Okay. Let's have a look on the eligibility. So the skills that they are asking is knowledge of TCP/IP protocol, OSI layers, operating system knowledge, cybersecurity knowledge, IT infrastructure means switch, router, firewall related knowledge, understanding of architectures. This is the requirement. Okay. So they are looking for people with BTech, MCA, MSc with math, statistics, computer science related streams, or MBA with background in computer science and programming with 0 to 4 years of experience. Means all the BA BTech candidates, all the MCA candidates, then MSc candidates, MBA candidates with 0 to 4 years of experience means freshers. Okay, freshers are eligible here. So if you are any fresher with these streams of education and if you are looking for an internship or if you just want to kickstart your career, this is an excellent opportunity. Okay, don't miss out. Just apply. This is a very recent update only. Okay. So the location is New Delhi. So these are the recruitment updates which I have brought up in this video. I am trying to bring up maximum recruitment updates and maximum internship updates for all the freshers out there, especially for people who are just looking to, kickstart their career, who are not having any experience and just want to start the career. And some people are having a lot of year gaps, means the education they have completed in 2015, still they are searching for job. So for all these candidates, I'm trying to bring a maximum opportunity just to help them. So if you're finding this content useful, please try to support the channel also. Please try to share the videos with your friends and tell them to subscribe. Tell them to share to their friends and tell them to subscribe. That's how you help in the growth of the channel, right? So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.